Hello guys, welcome to Hunter Legend. Today we're back with another video and we're going to do another drone flight. So yeah, let's start this flight. I'm going to take off. So yeah guys, we are here in this open field. You can see the view of London already. Alright, let's see where we're flying. We're flying in this nice open field. And there's a train station nearby, so you can get good footage of the train station. Just going to give a 360 view. So yeah, it looks really nice, this area. Going to give it a 360 view. You can see quite a lot. Yeah, it's a nice place. Nice open fields. We're going to go a little bit that side. I want to get a view. So yeah. Looks really nice, this view. Oh, wind's starting to pick up now. It wasn't that windy when I came here. I hope it doesn't affect the drone coming back. Oh, it is affecting the drone a little bit. I mean, no, it's not affecting it that much, but yeah, it's wind started to pick up. I checked last time I checked the weather. It was like, see, it's affecting the drone now. I literally came at the worst time. So when I came here, there's no winds at all. It was like a really calm day, and it just suddenly, right now, literally right now, it just a gust just appeared. I think it's just a gust. That's it. So we're back here now. We're flying around here. What we're going to do, we're going to get a nice view of up here. We're going to see what those cranes are. There's cranes over here. Also, we're going to try and see the trains. Oh, it's a little bit gusty today. I'm just going to stay around here. Oh no, it's being built here. Like you can see, there's a pitch over here. Let's try and get an orbit shot. Yeah, it's too windy to get an orbit shot. It's like we're gonna try to see the trains though. I'm just going to let it hover here and just see the trains come. I can kind of hear it. Where are we above? We're above this land over here. I should fly near here. Wait, where is that? Maybe I could move there. So I'm right over here, where the middle of the drone is, but there's a place down here which I walked down. But actually there's no way to get there. You can see a car park over here. Alright, sun's coming out, which is much better now. Let's try and get a sideways shot. I think this is the back of Sainsbury's. Yeah, you can see Sainsbury's. So this is actually Sainsbury's. Nice shots. You can see the cars moving. Train's coming, I can hear it. Just try and get an orbit shot of the train. Yeah, we can see it right here. Central line. This is the central line that goes to central London. Let's follow it. Let's track it. Oh, that's some sick shot. I like this shot. So we're in a place called Newbury Park. This is a Newbury Park station. Alright, let's see what we're flying above. Yeah. Let's turn back. No. See, it's nice sunny now. Nice and sunny. Should try and get low down shots. Yeah, the drone's struggling in this wind. So let's go the other side now. Let's go this side. Yeah, it's moving really slowly. Another train's coming, let's see. Oh, 2 trains, look at that. Strong gust. Where I am, I mean, the drone's right above me, so the drone's experiencing it as well. See, that train goes over here, which is central London. It was actually warmer as well, but then it got a bit chilly because of the wind. But because the sun's out, it's not as chilly now. Should try and, yeah, let's take a 360 photo. Should we take? Let's raise up and take a 360 photo. I don't know if the 360 photo will struggle, but because it might stop when a strong gust hits. And the problem with when it's windy, the battery just dies much faster because the drone has to like fight the wind. Another train, let's see if we can get that in the 360 photo. Actually no, it's quite far. Alright, so should we go to photo mode this time? Let's try and get a 48 megapixel photo of this area. Let's put it on auto. Take a photo. Oh, whenever I shoot in RAW, it takes really long for it to process. Come on, man. I'm losing battery. Yeah, let's just forget the photo. Let's just fly in video mode. Let's get this shot, especially this shot. Drone's fighting the winds right now. Nice shot though. This is Barkingside Station. We're going to orbit this. Look at that. Nice shot. We should check where we're flying. See the train's carrying on. Yeah, we lost the train now. It's behind the trees. So yeah, let's just continue our journey. We're gonna go this way. Look at that shot, nice. You could see a lake over here. See how when the clouds and the sun are near each other, looks really nice. Nice scenes, isn't it? You see a small spot of sun. Right, we're over here. We're north. I want to see the trains. Let's see the trains. Let's get an orbit shot of the trains. I also want to get this side. I want to get the countryside shot. Alright, let's just look at that. You know what I want to do? I want to come back down, yeah? And get a shot like this. Actually, should we go near the trains? Let's go to nearby the trains. Wait, where are we? Let's see where we are. So we're over here. We're gonna go here. We're gonna get a shot of the trains when it comes. We're gonna go to the sides of it. Then I think we've got to return because the battery's a bit low. Right, let's go nearby the trains. We're gonna stay here, and we're gonna get a close shot of the trains. We're gonna wait for the train. Hopefully one comes soon. If not, then we might have to head back because the battery's at 33%. There's no train here. Let's just check quickly. Is there a train coming? Was there no train coming? There's no train coming. Look at that spot of sunlight. Look at that. Insane. I know I want to time lapse that. You know, I want to get a sideways shot of the drone moving with the clouds. See, it's cloudy where I am standing, as you can see in the video. Come on, there's a train coming. I don't think it's going to come. I think we've got to land now, because the battery's a bit low. Let's try and go close to that building over here. Let's see what's happening there. See that? Looks really nice. Oh, let's start heading back now. 26%. Look, you can see the building. Look at that shot. Where are we? We're over here, so got to land now. See, it's cloudy, but let's see if there's any spots where it's sunny. Alright, so we're going to land right now. There's no sunny spots right now. There's sun where that is. We're going to land now. Let's try and go to this side and try and get a sports mode shot. It's going to be so sick. Let's not go too low because there's tall grass. I don't want to clip the trees, the grass. So as you can see, there's tall grass over here. See this? Look at that. Alright, let's land it now. Cancel return to home. I'm going to try and land it on my case. If not, I'll just hand grab it. So my case over here. It's a bit risky. No, I'll just hand grab it. It's a bit hard holding Alright, so we got the drone. That was a nice flight. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this drone video, and peace out.